Jan, Buffy, ready? 3, 2, 1, and action!
Hi, I'm Buffy.
And I'm Jan. Obviously, we both are two reasonable German engineers.
That's the reason why we quit our stable jobs within the ongoings of the worldwide pandemic to follow our passion and to create this brand new product which nobody can resist. The Marbolous.
Wow. Okay, everybody. Concentration. Jan, Buffy, stay focused. Time's money, boys. And stay natural. 3, 2, 1, and action.
The Marbolous is a reinvention of your classic marble trick.
We combined the childlike fascination with a modern, natural, minimalistic and grown-up design to build a unique product which knows no age.
How can I connect it with my smartphone?
I mean, you guys have an app for it, right? There must be an app.
No.
You guys are genius.
We created a 360-degree design object which allows you to interact with it.
I'm interacting with it.
Minimalistic aesthetic, the mechanical lifting system and the precise track design create an almost hypnotizing effect on the user. So, be careful. The perfectly shaped glass dome is only 3 mm thick and framed by natural cork. It takes approximately 15 seconds for each marble to roll along the metal-wielded track.
I love you guys. And I love you, little cuties. Do I love myself?
The Marbolous is a perfect mechanical gift for marble enthusiasts, lovers of fine art and design nerds. So basically for everyone who's not a loser.
Okay, guys, good job. Now, the great finale. Ready?
Do you really have to?
Yes, you have to. So, 3, 2, 1, and...
Let's roll!
Cut. It's a wrap. Thank you, team. Jan, Buffy, you guys did okay. Marvelous. I fucking love you. This is actually the best day of my life. I have to call my mother.